Hindi naman siguro tama, ginaganyan na lang tayo, tinatrato tayo ng mga dayuhan na akala mo naman hindi tayo marunong dito, hindi tayo nakakaintindi, tapos tayo inuutusan kung ano-ano pinagsasabi tungkol sa atin. Hindi na siguro talagang tama yan. Hindi tama yan. Gagawin nila yung gusto nilang gawin, pero kung nila sasabihin na kasama tayo, hindi tayo papayag na ay ganun ang trato sa atin at saka minamata tayo nitong mga puti. It is hard enough to explain to some of these former imperialists that we are a sovereign nation. We are no longer a colony of any one of them. And that we are a mature, sovereign nation with our own ways of doing things, and it is not for them to judge us because we do not judge them.